Okay, we are now up to our second line of defense, and I'm just going to start with a little bit of an introduction into what is innate immunity, what does that word mean, and let's have a look at the dot point. So the dot point says that for this part of the immune system, you need to know the characteristics and roles of the components, which is going to be the third video that we do on this after we've done this one. So there's going to be this little intro and then 3 other videos breaking up the innate immune system. And also the immune response to an antigen, which is what we're going to be showing you first, and then the steps in the inflammatory response, which is what I do at the end. So it doesn't matter which order we do these in, it doesn't matter which order you reply to them in, but there's kind of 3 main stages. I'm going to say that it's phagocytosis, it's the different types of cells that are involved in the innate immune system, and it's also the inflammatory response. So what does that mean? When we go on to this, we go, how does your body, we need to go back and refresh the fact that we had highlighters stuck to our heads as well as spoons and whatever else we had. Yeah, your body can recognize infective agents by identifying their non-self proteins or their non-self antigens. Okay, so once we've identified those, we go bang, bang, that's a pathogen. So what happens is our immune system recognizes these antigens, okay, as non-self antigens, and we're not going to go over allergens there, but what can happen, what can happen is it's going to start eliciting an immune response. The one word that I don't have in your notes as a definition, so we are on page 6 now, is the word innate. So innate means non-specific and non-learned. So it's got no memory. This is like your grunts. These guys are your first kind of, they're your second line of defense once something has made it past the initial barrier. They are fast, but they are just one response suits all. Okay, so they don't deal well with strategy. And that is the end of our introduction to the innate immune system.